Dear children, come back to economics second chapter. In previous class, children, we have seen that education and skill are the major determinants of the earning of any individual in the market. A majority of women have meager education and low skill formation. Hence, women are paid low as compared to men. Now, quality of population. The quality of population depends upon the literacy rate, health of a person indicated by life expectancy and skill formation acquired by the people of the country. The quality of population ultimately decides the growth rate of the country. Illiterate and unhealthy population are liability for the economy. Literate and healthy population are an asset. Now let us see the role of education. Education plays an important role in the human capital formation. It opens new horizon for the people, provides new aspiration and develops values of life, knowledge and skills. It provides capacity and flexibility to the people and enables them to contribute in the economic development of the country. Several years of education add to the quality of labor, which enhances his total productivity. Total productivity adds to the growth of the economy. This in turn pays an individual through salary or in some other form of his choice. General education raises the level of understanding in the people, while technical education makes significant contribution in raising efficiency and productivity by encouraging science and technology in the country. It promotes rational and scientific outlook for the solution of problems faced by the country. In this way, it enhances the national incomes, cultural richness, and increases the efficiency of governance. Next is, government has launched various schemes for providing universal access, retention, and quality in elementary education, with a special emphasis on girls. Elementary education, also called primary education. There is also an establishment of pace setting of schools like the Navodaya Vidyalaya in each district. Vocational streams have been developed to equip large number of high school students with occupations related to knowledge and skills. Vocational streams means relating to an occupation or employment. Now